My name is Keith Ozak. I work for Kapco Metal Stamping in the Business Development Manager role. I nominated Jenny Wenger for the BizTimes Milwaukee Notable Women in Manufacturing. I nominated Jenny for this award because Jenny's understanding of our needs in the landscape in the manufacturing world, her connections between herself and her team, put us in a position where we're always bringing in top candidates and satisfying the human capital needs that we have. I believe what makes Jenny a strong leader and role model inside manufacturing is her knowledge of our processes, our needs, our people's needs, and as well as educating her team and where our gaps may be and how to fill those with the networks we have. Jenny's impact on Kapco goes beyond filling a role, a need, a job posting. She has built her team to further the education and the needs of our company, from the leadership on down through the shop floor. Jenny is very deserving of the BizTimes Milwaukee Notable Women in Manufacturing Award. I'm proud to be on the same team with her and look forward to a very bright future growing in the manufacturing industry with her.